Video will learn about Figma Make, which is a new hot topic from the AI industry for the designers. So let's start with it. So as soon as you come to the Figma Make feature, you come to the screen where on the right side you have the preview, which also shows the preview of the code. And on the left side panel, it is the prompt area. So the layout is somewhat similar to what ChatGPT looks like. And let's begin with it. So let's start with a simple prompt. Let's say create a sign-in page for a web application. Let's see how the magic works. So right now, if you see, it also shows us the reasoning. So reasoning is basically based on the prompt, what is Figma thinking to create the design that you have asked for. So if you see, I'll create a clean and professional sign-in page with the following features: email, sign-in buttons, forgot password, responsive card-based layout, form validations, and user is using the existing design system tokens. So if you see, using the existing design system tokens, so there is a feature here which allows you to integrate a library that you already have, right? So we did not integrate anything, so it has just created a plain sign-in page which has the descriptive text and email and password. Now let's see what all we can do with this, right? So we see some spacing issues here. We don't like the color theming and all. So let's start with the theming. So it's just we'll say use the design system from Microsoft. So again, it is thinking and it will give us the reasoning, and then again it will take us to the final design. But meanwhile, I will explain why this Figma Make feature is there. It's not there to just directly, from scratch create layouts. Yes, maybe you can do that, but the actual use case is you create a design in Figma the way you have already been doing it, using auto layouts, using design libraries and everything, and then you bring that file, paste it here, and give it a referencing design library and create a functional prototype which can be shared among the teams for using usability testing before developing the actual product. Right now, if you see, it has taken the Microsoft's design system, the color theming, the ways the text field comes in the design system, and the buttons. And if you see, there are hover actions as well. Now let's say I also want to give an option to sign in using the social logins. So again, the same thing, I can give a prompt here, add social login options in the form. So it's writing the complete code, if you see that. Yeah, so also meanwhile, while this is happening, I'll also tell you what all you can do with this. So like I said, you can actually copy paste your existing code. It can be of multiple pages, so you have multiple page navigation through Figma Make, which are connected automatically using the prototype AI prototyping. And then if you don't like a specific part of your the design that is created by Make, you can click on this icon, which is point and edit. So the moment I click on that, I can select any of the options here and I can make a modification here itself with two methods basically. So one is just by clicking here and do the modification with the options available, or you can actually just point on a specific thing and give it a prompt. So let's say we can modify something from here. So let's say this is the option. Right now, probably I don't want this. So what I can say is ask for changes, remove this. I'll just remove this. Let's see if it removes only the one that I had selected, or it'll, I think probably because we have selected only one, it should remove only the Apple one. See, I'll remove the selected Apple sign-in button from the social login options, keeping the Microsoft, Google and GitHub button intact. And yeah, if you can see, so it has removed. And now currently, so if I had clicked on create one, there is nothing added here. So let's ask Figma to make it, right? Create pages for clickable actions like create one. So if you see, it has taken everything that can be clicked here. So forgot password page for password recovery, and sign up page for new account creation, simple routing system to navigate between pages. So we have terms of use, privacy policy, all those as well. Now meanwhile, if you want to see, there is a code, front end code is also getting written here. Yes, so now it is completed. Now let's see if I click on create one. Wow, so there are these still these options are visible, but along with that we also have the form to create the account. So I think by now you would have gotten a basic idea of what is possible in Make, but this demo is probably just like 10 or 15% of what Make can actually do. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. We'll probably be coming with more tutorials, in-depth tutorials, which will be explaining what all can be done using Figma Make. So, but yeah, you can start experimenting. Hope you have learned something new. Thank you. Please do subscribe and share the video. Thank you.